however you see, but they had a one day the mindset of like, the different. So this is Krishnanand Singh, your mentor, coach, guide, and we are starting today's class with color. Let's go to the next slide. Here the very word is very important, the color psychology. I want to know from you all, what is color psychology for you? Color psychology, does it affect you or not? So there's two questions. One is, what is color psychology and how it affect you and how you feel? So if you think about the color, I'm going to teach you primary, secondary class or all this. That's one part of the color subject. Not, I have already discussed with your friend yesterday. It will be very different learning. It will be the eye-opening, and there will be a question in the session you will have today. So let's start with color psychology. What do you think about color psychology? Write in the chat box and unmute and say. Yeah. Rasi, you want to say something? You had attended yesterday class also. So what is color psychology and how this impact you?
Color psychology is basically how a particular color affects our brain or how we perceive it. Like some colors can help us change our mood and can do the opposite too. Like for example, I've read that red color has effect on our eating kind of thing. Like usually restaurants use a lot of red so that people will eat a bit more. And the opposite is like the blue is very unappetizing color. So those kind of effects that a color makes on our brain.
Correct. Very nicely explain color with example. This is what the theme of the class. We are going in very right direction. Today we'll discuss everything with the example. Anyone else? Day one, want to say something? Want to add? Because I know most of you are having a day one class. Krishna, Mansi, Mohit, anyone want to participate? I see a couple of messages in chat box.
Hi, sir.
Oh, yeah, please.
Sir, I don't know exact meaning, but according to me, it's mean how our brain think about a particular color, how it impact in processing, means how we think about a particular color in a particular situation.
Perfect. You are very much right. That's what I want the answer from you guys. How you feel. Color psychology. Just one thing, how you feel. Stop thinking about all your study traditional or what you have studied till now. Just tell me how you feel. That's it. Meanwhile, I want Mukesh to, could you please go to next slide? Yeah, one student can more participate, can say about it, how you feel. Anyone? Well,
Hello?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Like red shows some feelings.
Mm-hmm.
Then white, innocent. Like
Very good.
discipline.
Mm.
Then so red also shows danger.
Perfect. How it is? Any example? Danger example? How red shows danger? Yeah?
Traffic lights.
Perfect. This is what I want you to do. You guys are going very perfectly right. What I want you to take. Maybe for this only I should given the 10-minute brief. This is what you need to know.
Exit symbol.
Yes. So it is what we need to understand.
Out of danger.
Well, so if red you will see, like suppose night, most of the light is red or yellow, right?
Yeah.
Maximum light is all across is yellow. Never you will see anywhere any signal or anywhere the green light in night. Can anyone justify it? Why? Even divider having a red, everywhere it is slightly red. And you just think why it is. You all had night ride once at least. So why
But
it is?
deflection of
No, sir, it's wavelength. Red has a wavelength, like its wavelength is greater than green, so it can actually penetrate the light or whatever. So even the danger sign is shown by red because it can penetrate and we can immediately see that it's red. So it's a danger over there.
So it's a
Whereas
strike
as
mode.
green, it cannot do that.
Yes. So you mean Krishna? We both sharing the same name. Well, so it's you mean like it's a strike mode, right? It's a strike on our eyes. Good,
Yeah.
good. So there's something which makes sure that open your eyes and you feel like okay, yeah, it is red chili. There is a green chili also, but what is more famous? Red chili. Right? See how interesting this subject is. I'll go to the subject, I'll go to the definition, I'll go to the till question also. But this is what is required in the class. Well, so let's move forward, guys. Black here, like any color. Can you see? Red, we started with the love and excitement. We reached to the penetrate and how, the color psychology is, how it is the impact, why the red is in traffic signal, all we discuss. So every color having their different side, different meaning. So shortly I'll explain you, then I want you guys also to talk more if you have anything, and we'll go to the next slide. So black is evil, unhappiness. Black is bold. Black is sometimes in some region it is discipline. Black we use for some time in the shooting area and all, because that absorb the all colors. You all know. White is purity, innocence, but white is richness also for me. White, you have reached on a level where you are limitless. You do not need anything else more than that. More than that, you can't be rich. So each word's having their own side. I hope you guys are getting it what I'm explaining you right now. Red is something called love, excitement, and we discuss more. Blue. Well, I want more into the blue from you guys. Where do you see blue in your day-to-day life? Where we see the blue color? Behind my, except my wall, which you can see right now. Where you see the blue color?
sky. Sky.
Sky. Very, very good. Very good. Where else? Cool. Yeah, it is cool color. But I will give you today example of warm also, how it is different. Well, tell me, where else? Apart from sky, think guys. Where you feel like, red, what?
Fog, like in very
Someone want to say something? Really, you are not able to recall?
Peace.
fog, like in vehicles, sir.
Do not need to worry about it. We will just store it. Krishna, store it in your mind rather than writing in a book. Don't worry. You can ask your mentor. We'll share you slide and all. That's not an issue. It's good. I'm happy. Most of you are very active. Pen, paper, pencil. You are sitting in the class. I don't mind them to taking class 2 hours also. But I need active crowd. That is here we have today. That's nice. Yeah. Just store here the things which we store here, that is always there with us.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Where else blue color apart from sky we see?
It shows a peace, symbol for peace.
No. I'm right now asking the question is what is the
Hello?
symbol meaning? We'll go later. Where else we see in our day-to-day life the blue color or the blue things apart from sky? Sky is there where we see the blue. Where else?
Yes, sir. Apart from peace, symbol of peace. It's a blue.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. That's it's a symbol of peace. But guys, did you notice the sea, ocean? It's look blue, right?
Yeah.
So we surrounded with blue color maximum. You cannot deny it. Sky looks blue, whatever reason is ozone and like a scientific reason, but that is the psychology that impact you. Now see the blue color. Where else? If you will see so many government brands, there you will see the blue colors in their logo, font and all. Banking, you will see blue colors, SBI or many bank. Insurance company like LIC, you will see blue color. Now, tell me why these places we use the blue. What do you understand the meaning of blue over here? Now you tell me the word.
Trustworthy.
Yes, Parth, you are getting it. It is trustworthy. It is limitless. It is, you feel like, okay, yeah, the maximum depth, all this feel comes. It automatically comes. That is what the psychology is. Which for the red Krishna was telling, like, so it goes like this. It's not go simply what we see. So today we will open our eyes towards the brand, towards the rest of the part. So it's gonna be very interesting. Let's move to the rest of them. The green we know always go green, but there is a NAV. Once one student asked me how. So we will discuss that also. How the blue is sadness also. That's what each color may have a different meaning. How the red having a two side because of the nature of that color. How the yellow is bright, happy. Purple is more like a purity, wellness or wealth. Brown is history, more like, there are different terms for the brown. Again, the orange, happiness, it is many more symbol which we'll discuss in further. The pink color, more always we relate with the girls. We relate with softness. We relate with this color with romance and kindness. So let's move to the next slide and I will show you what all words are here. Anyway, you will get to know that all this color, their meanings are. So whatever we discuss about the color, you will find here. So let's go to next slide. This will provide you, I believe more into the practical example rather than the theoretically read. Now this one, very important. The first one, we try to understand the emotion of the color, how flourish the colors is, how it has impacting the human mind and across. Now, how these colors and their meaning is related to brand that we are going to discuss. I'll explain you the red one. You have to tell me about the rest. So red one is, if you will see the brand over here, let's go to reverse way. So we have brand like Red Bull, Printus, Coca-Cola. Let's talk about anyone. Red Bull was quite famous in the last few days because of some controversy that is related to different, but I think I should stick with the idea of the brand. Red Bull logo or Coca-Cola or some other, if you will see what they are trying to say. They want to tell you, okay, after drinking my drink, you will feel energetic, youthfulness, you physically fit, active, passionate towards the words. And those what we see in the red color. Can you see the brand? Now, when you will see the logo, now you will see the branding, you will able to relate it. Now, I don't want, I just simply it is here. And you got it or not, let's see the example. I want you guys now to explain. You pick anyone which is here on the screen, any color, pink, purple, navy, green, blue, orange, and whatever you think, please explain. I want you to explain. Anyone, one by one you can take. It's open. In my class, as quicker you will pick the things and you want to say, that's completely up to you. Yeah. Who is going to start? Rasi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, I'll go with the orange because as you can see the Fanta logo there.
Perfect. Perfect. The best one with your memory you opted, right? Go ahead.
Yeah, so that look, that I can relate to the ad. If you have ever seen the Fanta advertisement, they generally show how means kind of suddenly after drinking people become extroverted or energetic. So that's exactly how the color orange is. As you can see,
Yeah.
that shows spontaneity. Spontaneity can be related to randomness, and then we have freedom. So I just related it with the advertisement.
You can think in a more way. Orange ice cream. I hope every one of you, while your primary schools and all, or maybe your at least when you are in your initial school days, and now also we once whatever you eat, whatever the all premium ice cream and whatever we say Magnum and all this, but if you have in your hand that orange stick ice cream, that's give you the different smile altogether on your face. So that relation is there. That's how brand relate. Now if you will relate anything, either Fanta, either such drink which comes in a powder form and all, everyone is in orange color, and most of them is in orange color. So brand always take your emotions, everything. When we talk about the color, because it's directly related to the human emotions, it's matter a lot. We think a lot before doing any wall paint in our bedroom, right? Because that's impact us. That's don't speak you, but it's really impact a lot. So this is the add-on, and I hope everyone having such memory. Next, move to the another color with any one of you, whomsoever wanna explain, because the Rasi is the first on my screen. Yeah, please. So that's what I said. Her
So
name.
I want to go with green. Tic Tac.
Yeah.
Immediately one word is just hitting my mind. That's freshness, and that comes from the leaves, the mint leaves, curry leaves. That gives us freshness. Is green, and also this is green.
Perfect.
So Tic Tac is fresh, and immediately I can relate to that.
Yes. What else? Now see, the mind mapping has to be start here. What will go next here is, oh yeah, fresh. The green is fresh. Now see, every either you're talking about any kind of the brand these days, they are selling or not, but there are many brands. They keep talking about organic, 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 or if there is organic brand, there everything is around green. All brandings. Either the packaging, which is the plastic packet, on that there is a print on green color. Why? To give you the message. It is organic, it is fresh, it is healthy. That's what the brand relate. That's what we talk about. If any light company, BB or anyone, if they are using it, so it's having their region. That's what we say. Clarity, generous, growth, balance. The meaning is it's balance our life. So even if you will see their vehicles are, that is also completely green, all fresh leaf these days in all metro city, especially tier 1 cities. This has become a cycle, and this has become a culture. We buy such milk in almost in double and triple price, which says that okay, it's more nutritious and direct, natural from all. So well, moving forward to the next one, I can see you Anne on my screen and Mithun on my screen. If anyone want to talk about any one of this color, rest blue, green, navy, purple, in the same manner.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'll talk about navy.
Yeah.
As a cricket player, I like Reebok bats. So I see Reebok bat in navy. So I have an
Well, so your voice was a bit breaking. I would like to clear
I
it
don't.
for the student. Yeah. You wanna say more? Could you please write in the chat box there? Mithun, could you please write in the chat box? Your voice
Yes,
is a bit breaking. Well, so I will add on the
yes,
more
sir.
about the blue. Blue? Yeah, please write in the chat box. Gap.
Everyone rejoin with the same link that I have sent to
We are
you.
done.
So
Really, I
meeting
didn't
will
feel like,
end in a
guys,
second.
this time got over. Please rejoin, guys. Rejoin. We'll have a great discussion in next half.
so that they can also solve that answer, because this is the not a new pattern which we are sharing you today. Well guys, now moving forward to our rapid course. So our expert teams designed the special rapid course from 5 to 7 days program. In that we'll teach you part A, part B, like strategy. Then we'll have a test paper and discussion of test paper to upgrade your marks. So these you must contact us and fill the Google form to know about it. If you want, you can join us for test series and part A preparation also. Make sure you fill the form and attend those classes. So how you like this video? Is this helpful? If this test paper is helpful, this video is helpful, again I want your suggestions are in the chat box, so that we can make the video what you want to know. So make sure guys, do not forget to subscribe, like and press the bell icon button, so that you will get to know more video on this. Thank you for watching Ignite India and have a great day.